Hi, I'm Ava. Today we're going to look at the Step 1 survey and how it helps organizations protect their bottom line before a hiring mistake becomes a liability. Employee theft and workplace misconduct cost businesses billions every year. Prevention starts before the offer is made. Most organizations uncover integrity problems after the damage is done. Employee theft, lost inventory, time theft, substance abuse, policy violations, data misuse. These issues are expensive, and they are often predictable. The Step 1 survey is designed to identify risk early in the hiring process. Step 1 survey is a brief pre-employment screening tool that evaluates work-related attitudes in 4 critical areas: integrity, substance abuse, reliability, and work ethic. It also gathers structured background insight regarding past employment behavior and workplace decision-making patterns. This is not a personality test. It is structured risk screening. The process is efficient and straightforward. Candidates receive an online link. The assessment takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes to complete. Results are scored immediately. Hiring managers receive structured reports designed to guide follow-up interviews and clarify potential concerns. This allows organizations to screen risk before deeper investment is made. Step 1 survey provides 2 key reports. The Quick Check report, a summary of attitude scale results and employment-related insights. The Interview report, a structured guide that identifies potential red flags and provides targeted follow-up questions. These reports support professional judgment with objective data. They help hiring managers ask better questions and make better decisions. When structured integrity screening is part of the hiring process, theft decreases, absenteeism is reduced, workplace incidents decline, and hiring confidence increases. The cost of one dishonest hire can exceed the cost of screening many times over. Step 1 survey strengthens your workforce by protecting it from preventable risk. If protecting your organization from preventable hiring risk is a priority, the next step is simple. Schedule a focused conversation. We'll review your hiring process and determine how Step 1 survey can strengthen your screening strategy. Let's talk. Call 1-800-434-2630 or visit theassessmentcompany.com. Risk prevention starts before hiring. Let's make it intentional.